Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Samiulhaq Chardiwall. I'm head on my first LVD from Chicago University. I'll be presenting our work on detection of human agitation and self-correction in video streams. As we can see, the traditional human activity recognition system continuously are designed to predict some kind of outputs, or I think that the human activity, the human action are continuous. But in reality, when we are carrying out a specific action, we usually think, we pause, we hesitate, and we even make errors and correct ourselves. In 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 which in this case these subtle changes are usually are missed by the conventional models. So what we try to do is to visualize something like, what if the robot could sense uncertainty, and wouldn't it make the robot more more adaptive in behavior, or wouldn't it avoid benign interruption or collisions? So based on this motivation, we have to develop a system that. So based on this, we aim to develop a system that detects cognitive behaviors. And by cognitive behaviors, we mean hesitation and self-correction to the Lego machine. We particularly put the word cognitive based on the nature of the data set. So in the data set contains example that shows self-correction and hesitation, but those are not explicitly labeled. So we are trying to extract those particular clips manually. And since those self-hesitation and self-correction are usually quite similar and make it really hard to differentiate between these two, that's why we need like a high order cognition for these kind of systems to differentiate, and that's why we use the term cognitive to justify it. Regarding the LSM, since LSMs are really sensitive to the initial conditions, and these tasks are really similar. So in a sense, the LSM are quite ideal case for this scenario that could capture the temporal behavior of this specific task. Now, to test that, we propose two kinds of methodologies. The first one is processing the feature extracted by the feature development network using the reservoir technique, and then we try to process the information using the raw information using the reservoir, and to compare both of them to explore the capabilities of the LSM. By this, we hypothesize that the vanilla LSM will exhibit will outperform the hybrid feature pyramid network, because the feature pyramid network would lose some of the information. Yeah. So since this is an ongoing project of ours, and we aim to lay a groundwork for our work, yeah. And questions?
You took the time. Thank you. So next